get to my website, theacgreenshow.com, and let me know if you're struggling with your mortgage. I got Dr. Janet Seabrook in the studio. So Dr. Seabrook, check this out. This is what I want to know from you, Dr. Seabrook. You work with the community HealthNet, health centers. Tell everybody about that right quick. Talk to me.
Community HealthNet health centers located in Gary, Indiana. We actually have 5 locations throughout Northwest Indiana. One is actually in Hammond, Indiana, on Columbia Boulevard. We have another location in Maryville, 6100 Broadway, and 3 locations in Gary for a total of 5 locations where we provide
5 locations. 5. Can you say it?
5
there you
locations.
Go.
Soon to be 6. Actually, received some funding last year from the federal government to build another facility in Gary. So we'll have a total of 6 centers throughout Northwest Indiana. We're really excited about that.
So you're the CEO and all that?
I am the CEO.
Look at that. Look at that little woman now. Yeah, that little woman doing big things.
We provide comprehensive primary care services, and that includes dental, medical, behavioral health services.
Is it free?
It's not free, but it's based on your income.
Okay, very
so
good.
If your income is below or low, we're able to have a sliding fee that fits your pocketbook. And so what we're trying to do is educate people about taking care of themselves as far as their health, and that actually helps them with their financial status. And that's why I wanted to really connect with you. And hearing you on the radio was just so impressed with what you're doing in our community, and having people understand that their financial health actually relates to their overall health.
Yeah. So tell me this. In your centers, do you all deal with diet?
We do.
Okay, talk about that.
We have people on our staff who are trained nutritionists. And
that's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
About their diabetes, their hypertension, and what they can and cannot eat.
Right.
To help them control it.
Because I'm gonna tell you, 90% of what is available to people out here is killing them.
I will agree with you.
It's as simple as that. You know, you're not eating enough fresh vegetables and fruit. You know good and well you're dying. It's like committing, involuntary suicide.
So let's talk a little bit about what our plans are for our new location. We have enough land, so we're planning on planting a garden.
Come on with that.
Our doctors are going to be writing prescriptions for our patients to go out, and those that aren't able to go out and pick themselves will have the fresh vegetables there at the counter when they check out.
That's what I'm talking about.
So if the doctor writes a prescription for 2 cucumbers and 2 onions and 3 tomatoes, then they're going to be able to go and either pick them themselves or get them out of the basket if they aren't.
One of the things that I applaud President Obama for and his wife Michelle, when they got into the White House, one of the things they talked about all the time was the garden in the back. What they were doing is sending a signal to everybody else. Go in your backyard and plant your garden, because what they could not tell you is there's a company called Monsanto who has poisoned all the land. All of the food supply across the world is poisoned by this company called Monsanto. The pesticides is killing us. The preservatives are killing us slowly, but it makes a lot of money for the government in the trillions of dollars. It makes a lot of money for them in the trillions. So the president couldn't come out and say that. They would have found him laying in the garden, like 6 feet under that garden. You know what I'm saying? So what we need to do is learn how to garden in our own backyard.
Yes. So
got a backyard?
Yes.
When I was growing up, the backyard had tomatoes in it.
Yes. And when we did that, when you think about that, there were less trips to the doctor.
Come on.
There were less trips to the emergency
We done got
room.
older and smarter and more educated and dumber at the same time.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Our grandparents had more sense. They ain't had no education. You know what I'm talking about? We got to get better at this health thing. So how can people contact you?
They can call 219-880-1190. That number is connected to all of our locations.
So why don't you say it like 3 more times? Real slow.
219-880-1190.
Again.
219-880-1190.
Again.
219-880-1190.
All right, you're welcome back anytime. You all put your hands together. Yeah.